Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make cornbread recipe. Preheat oven to 400 degrees F and grease a 9-inch skillet, then mix 1 cup cornmeal, 1 cup flour, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 tsp salt, 1 cup milk, 1/4 cup melted butter, and 1 egg until smooth. Pour batter into the skillet and bake 20-25 minutes until golden and a toothpick comes out clean. Let cool briefly before slicing and serving warm with butter or honey. Start by gathering ingredients and measuring accurately for consistent cornbread. Sift dry ingredients together, then whisk wet ingredients separately. Combine them gently to avoid overmixing, which makes dense bread. Fold in extras like corn kernels or jalapenos if you want texture and flavor. For sweeter cornbread, add extra 1-2 tablespoons sugar. For savory, reduce sugar and add shredded cheese. Spoon batter into a hot, greased skillet and bake. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps. On another note, the Echo Dot smart speaker is great in the kitchen. It can set timers, read recipes aloud, and play baking playlists to keep you company while the cornbread bakes. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and grab one if you want a hands-free helper. Now let's get back to the video. Use a preheated cast iron skillet for a crisp, golden crust and even heat. Check doneness at 20 minutes with a toothpick. Avoid opening oven too often. Let cornbread rest 5 to 10 minutes to set before slicing so crumbs hold together. Store leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days or freeze slices for longer storage. Reheat gently in a 350 degrees F oven for best texture. Serve with chili or soup for a comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.